Hey guys, so a massive drop just happened in the entire crypto market. And let me tell you, this has caused so much of the panic. I mean, being anyone who's like a newcomer, I bet you must have your heart in your mouth. As you can see, Bitcoin literally dropping $3,000, which is like, I mean, if you try to calculate, several hundred billions of dollars have been wiped out off from the crypto market. But this is not a crash that has happened naturally. This is investors, I mean, several reasons that could have happened that led to this, and why this is not something to worry about. I'm going to talk about. And first of all, I want to congratulate the people who did not panic sell, as well as I want to congratulate the people who panic sold but yet bought in at an even lower price, and as well as for the people who panic bought at the low end, because that was just like a discount buying available opportunity for all of us. One by one, like, let us see the Bitcoin. I mean, literally $3,000. But Ethereum, again, like, we had the lowest point, as you can see. All right, I'll just need to refresh it. It went approximately $3,300. So that is like $600 of crash, sudden crash. But still, because like it already reached $3,900 something, or $4,000, so for a lot of people it is still in the buying range. But let me tell you, there is another coin, like, that is Cardano. I wanted to talk about the Cardano. Okay, this actually, like, Cardano already is having the smart contract in, so a lot of people were buying on, like, onto the thing. Okay, there is a $5 Cardano coming in, there is a $8, $12, so a lot of people even bought at like approximately 290 and or $3. So massively, again, like, they were already in a loss and they were just waiting for the smart contract to begin, and that's when this sudden dump occurred. So again, I wanted to first of all congratulate the people who actually bought this discounted dip that suddenly happened for a moment, like for less than half an hour, as well as the people who did not panic sell, as well as the people who panic sold but yet bought in again at an even lower price. Because this is something, I mean, few of the reasons that could have happened. Number one reason, the most important reason, there was sudden investors who, big whales who already own the currency Cardano, they suddenly sold a big sum of currency, like millions of dollars of currency, which we did not know about. And then suddenly a lot of local investors, like, they also, I mean, local investors, the newbies, and a majority of the market started selling it as well. What if we are losing? And that's when these big whales started buying at the lower price. The most important reason that they did this is because they are planning to accumulate even more. They know that the price is further going to go really up. So rather than directly taking it up, they wanted to dump it big time so that a lot of people panic sell, and that's when they buy at an even lower cost, making the amount of profit that they are going to make even more, like 20% to 25% more profit. Right? Doesn't it make sense? Why would an investor suddenly like sell at a price, like, I mean, you might have seen, like, there was a jump of like 10 cents, 20 cents suddenly. Like, why would they sell it when there's like buyers immediately out there? The reason is simple: because they wanted to buy back in, because they knew, I mean, if they sell it at a certain price, and that's when the gap is going to cover up, they are in loss. So why would they do that? This is the simple reason. They sold it and then immediately bought it back at a lower price. That is what has happened. So guys, for the people who have actually sold in, and right now they are in a doubt dilemma what to do, because the price has got back. Okay, let me just open the Cardano as well. I mean, the price has got back again. For those people, like the people, I mean, right now it is, as you can see, the Cardano's price is 250, right? So for a lot of people, like, who actually, I mean, panic sold, and right now they are in a dilemma, like, what should we do, what to do next? For them, I must say, whatever has happened has happened. See, This is one of the biggest learning lesson for all of you guys. I mean, I personally had to learn this myself, that never make a decision at the time of extreme greed and never make a decision at the time of extreme fear. Either you have it planned beforehand or you just wait and watch. Things will settle down, things will go back. And if you might have had a loss little bit, like you bought in little at a higher price, or probably you're planning to buy it again right now, let me tell you, just try to take it as a learning experience. You just paid to an institution, the crypto institution, that amount, the amount that you have lost, just to have this learning lesson. Nobody else could have taught you. There was no place other than this place itself, like this real world experience, to have experienced this kind of loss. And then what is the learning experience that you happen to have from this? That is going to be a life-changing learning experience. So think about it, and obviously do not worry about what has happened. It had to happen. And in the future we are going to $5 a Cardano. Still right now, even if you're buying, we are going 12, I mean twice the amount from here. Keep hodling, keep holding. The best strategy is to keep holding when the big institutions are playing around, because that's when you will not be able to compete with them. They have a bot. I mean, you must have seen, it's not as if a human being are placing the orders. It's like the computers are placing, suddenly shifting the price up and down when they try to panic and when they try to mass sell off, right? So do not try to win that game, right? Always, I mean, if you're in doubt, sell half your amount at the profit, not at the loss. Half your coins at the loss, and then just keep it for the disaster. Like if some sort of disaster comes, I'm going to buy in. I mean, I'm not going to sell off all of it. I'm going to buy in. That will reduce halfway my average cost. That's when any amount, any increment, let's say anyone who bought in like at 240 cents, right? 230 cents. I mean, he would have made like a big sum of money, suddenly like 20% of jump. So this was like a discounted offer ongoing. So do not need to worry, all of you guys. This is completely fine. In fact, this is healthy, because after such a shake-up, such a massive shake-up, I mean, it's not that another shake-up is coming, right? Market has recovered. That means there is a boom coming. I mean, not every day will be an earthquake. If there is an earthquake, then there are rainbows as well, right? So guys, congrats to all of you guys, whoever just had a learning experience. And definitely we are off to a really good start. $100,000 for Bitcoin this year. Ethereum, again, like really gonna do great. Cardano to watch out for. Ripple, I mean, all the coins, the crypto market is on the boom. El Salvador made Bitcoin a legal tender. Everywhere the good news is coming in. There is no market crash happening. This is just pump and dump, and then suddenly, I mean dump and pump, and that's when like people are going to accumulate the coins at a lower price. So guys, thanks a lot for watching the video. I hope that you liked it. Please do subscribe to this channel, because I'm going to come on live and show you the real trades and the real insider informations that I happen to get. So wish you guys all the best, and I'll see you guys in the next